In this tip of the day, let's take a look at adding a finish pass within a pocket operation using OneCNC. This is very simple to do, so let's demonstrate. To begin with, you can see we have a part. I have a couple of pockets here. Let's head over to the Command Manager, select our stock toolpaths, and then pocketing. I'm going to left-hand click the boundary of that pocket, right-hand mouse click. Let's take a look at our tool parameters. This looks fine. We're using a 3/8 diameter end mill. Our speeds and feeds look great. We'll click next on that. Our clearances and depths look good, so we don't need to change any of that. We'll click next there. I'm going to be using high-speed close. That's the strategy I'm going to be using. Let's click next. We're going to helical into the pocket. All this looks great. We're going to click next on that. And then to begin with, I'm going to leave 20 thousandths along the sides of the pocket. All right, so let's click next. Here we have finishing none. Now, if we leave this set to none, OneCNC will not include a finish pass. But I'm going to left click here and I'm going to select bottom only. That simply means that OneCNC is going to perform a finish pass at the bottom of the pocket. In fact, it's going to be using the same parameters, the same depth parameters that we have right here. It's not going to go any deeper or any less. It's just at the very bottom of the pocket. If you'd like, you can use cutter compensation. And also, if you want to, you can override the speeds and feeds. That's what I've done here. I've checked override finish speeds. I've increased the feed rate to 45 inches a minute. And the spindle speed, I've upped that to 6,000. Let's click next on that. Now, this is how we're going to approach and exit that finish pass we were just talking about. I'm going to use line arc. In fact, I'm going to arc in using a radius of, let's just make that 100 thousandths. The arc is going to be through 45 degrees. If I click this button here, the exit values will match our entry values. That looks great. So let's click Finish. Let OneCNC generate the toolpath. And you can already see that we have this extra finish pass here that's taking that 20 thousandths. Why don't we preview this? Let's right-hand mouse click, select Preview Toolpath. All right, so here's the tool performing the roughing operation. You can see that we're helical approach into the pocket. Here's our high-speed machining. And remember, we're leaving 20 thousandths on there. This all looks great. Now, when this is finished, we're going to be using the same tool and performing a finish pass. Here we're arcing on. Right there, arc on. Come all the way around, profile, and then arc off. In fact, if I zoom in a little bit, you can see there's the arc on and there's the arc off. So this is a great feature when you want to use the same tool for roughing and finishing. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.